A cake with no candles, a room with no cheer. Who are we singing for? Nobody's here. The clock ticks softly, the past feels near. Happy birthday to who? Happy birthday to where? A song in the silence, it floats in the air. Happy birthday to you, though you're not really there. The melody's broken, it wavers and sways like shadows of laughter from faraway days. The tape rewinds, but it won't replay. Happy birthday to who? Happy birthday to where? A wish on a whisper, a dream we all share. Happy birthday to you, though you're not really there. The vinyl crackles, a heartbeat slows, a song for the lost where the memory goes. Each note dissolves like melting snow. Happy birthday to who? Happy birthday to where? A tune for the lonely, it lingers, it cares. Happy birthday to you, though you're not really there.